So if the propeller was hitting that bar there, now it's not hitting it. What I did was I reversed the two legs on the right side and the two on the left side, because these holes are not exactly parallel with the arm, are slightly at an angle, and now it's not hitting it. So that's the correct way of inserting the legs, and that's the incorrect way of inserting the legs. The screws are not mounted yet. Okay, so what should you look at is this longer part. That's a shorter one. So initially I placed the longer parts together, but it's not correct. You have to place the shorter parts together. Short, long. Place the short together and then it should be okay. That's the front where it's rounded. That's the back. The camera is protected inside these sides. And now they are not making contact, neither with this one nor with each other.